Hi everybody, welcome to Bell CB and a tune-up report on the Cobra 29WXNWST. This is for Ken in California. Ken over here, and we put a two-stage power switch on here. So here's high power at almost 6, and if I throw the switch off, low power is right about 2.5 and 6. And peak power, 50 watt slug. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, oh, we didn't hear it. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. For radio check.
I hear you, driver.
I appreciate it, driver. Have a good day.